Or sige, can we start? Siguro ano lang tayo, 1.5 hours na siguro to. Or 1 hour. Alright. Sige, I will share my screen. Alright, just in time. Ito ba I-discuss last time sa cost accounting nyo?
Hindi po masyado.
Hindi masyado. Alright. Sige. What do you mean of just in time? Any idea about just in time?
Sir, little
Alright.
to no inventory is
Alright.
stored po sa just in
Alright,
time.
so there's no inventory or little inventory stored. Alright. In fact, no, some companies, the inventory is for them is immortal sin, di ba? Because for them, just in time uh, uh, is basically walang inventory. Alright, sige. Alright, just in time, no, just in time manufacturing. So it is used basically in the manufacturing. Alright. It is basically based on the manufacturing. Okay. So what do you mean of just in time again? So just in time is a manufacturing philosophy na involving the integrated set of procedures and activities no designed no to achieve volume of production using minimal inventory. So sabi ni Marie Kay, so basically you have minimal inventories. So sometimes pa walang inventory. All right. And then of course you have process, no, you have process in terms of that, no, of system, you have goods, you have system or services performed, no, just as they needed. Or meaning, just in time is a pull system wherein customers will order and then dun pa lang kayo gagawa ng materials. Okay? Why? Because it is just in time. All right. So how it works? So this is basically the manufacturing, no? So supplier, then automatically you have your fabrication, okay? Ano nangyari? Fabrication, you have sub-assembly, you have assembly, and then sales. So as you notice, there's no inventory there, di ba? So wala nang handling of inventory, wala nang warehouse rental. So the moment na you receive goods from supplier, fabrication kaagad, sub-assembly, then assembly, then sales. All right. So why? Again, because it is just in time, 'di ba? But because of just in time, of course, very important also that you consider, sorry, you consider also balanced scorecard, no? Balanced, synchronized, simplified, waste-free, and rationalized. That's why here, very important also that you have proper training. Kasi hindi mahirap to, di ba? Na the moment na you receive inventory, that's the moment na you have your sales. Alright. History. Saan ba nagsimula ang just in time?
Japan po ba?
Japan? Alright. Particularly, yes, tama, Japan. Anong company?
Hindi ko po alam, sir.
Alright. Sikat, sikat na sikat. No?
Sir Toyota.
Very good, Kenneth. Sa Toyota. Alright. Nagsimula ang just in time. Uh, it evolved no, during World War II or after World War II in Japan. Alright. As a result of their diminishing market share in the auto industry. Kaya 'di ba pag kayo ay nag-order ng sasakyan, 'di ba? At yung kami nag-order ng Honda BRV siguro after a week pa, 'di ba? Kasi just in time, 'di ba? Yung pa lang yung paggagawa ng car, 'di ba? Then saka pa lang ibibigay sa iyo. Hindi siya gaya ng iba na automatic meron na. Okay? All right. So founded by Taiichi Uno, no, the Vice President of Toyota. So sa Toyota nagsimula lahat ang just in time. All right? And implemented basically in 1950s. So, and then well established in 1970s. So, hindi pa siya matagal, di ba? Mga 50 years ago lang. Okay? Followers, sino ang nag-follow ng just in time? Yung GE, ano, electrical in the USA, okay? In the US. Also the Toyota, of course, the IBM, continuous flow manufacturing, the GE, the Hewlett Packard, no? Yan. So there are a lot of companies now are the followers of just in time. All right. San Miguel, malamang hindi. No? Kasi kailangan namin mag-stock ng madaming beer, no? To sell, no? To sell the beer. Okay? All right, 7 ways. So in terms of this just in time, we consider now what are the waste overproduction. So there are times that your overproduction, you have naman out of stock. Ano gusto nyo? Yeah, so meaning waste of overproduction is basically you have more production, 'di ba? Because of that, you will pay for more handling fee. You will pay for more rental, 'di ba? You will pay for factory worker who is in charge for the warehouse. You will pay for the security guard na dapat wala, 'di ba? Paano kung ang usapan niyo na pag walang materials, you will not pay for it. Eh may materials ka pa. All right. Number two, ways of waiting. All right. Ano bang bangko ang tagal mag-process ng deposit slip niyo? In my experience sorry baka meron kayong mag-anak or nanay niyo or tatay niyo. Para sa akin pinakamatagal BPI and Metrobank. Pasin niyo ba? As in sobrang bagal, no? Yun. So meaning waste of waiting. All right. Kasi sobrang bagal, 'di ba? For me, ang bagal ng BPI, I don't know why. 'Di ba? 'Di ba Alvon, sobra. Pinakamabilis para sa akin BDO, no? Kahit madami ewan ko kasi yung BDO kasi mayroong pa siyang ano sa gilid, 'di ba? Pag alam niya madaming tao, yung new accounts nag-receive na ng cash. Yun yung maganda. All right? Also in the UCPB, ano yung system improvement ng UCPB? Sino ba ang nagpunta ng UCPB? 'Di ba? Sila ay may free coffee. So, of course, in terms of that, kahit ways of waiting, you have free coffee. All right. Queuing, 'di ba? Waste of transportation, 'di ba? Let's say you are the hauler of San Miguel and then the beer should be shipped to Naga sales office. Yung pala nagkamali, no? Yung pala sa Kanlubang lang, Laguna. Nagpunta pa sa Naga, sa Bicol. Sayang yung 8 hours na biyahe. Babalik pa sa Kanlubang, which is dapat almost 30 minutes lang if you are coming from Santa Rosa plant. 'Di ba? Waste of transportation. All right. Waste of underutilization of employees. So meaning underutilized yung mga employees kasi ang dami nyong you have a lot of employees pero hindi naman pala pero underutilized. Nag-Facebook na lang, 'di ba? Nag-overtime pa. Yan. Waste of inventory. So this is the just in time now, the waste of inventory. Waste of motion, no? Sobrang pagod, 'di ba? The assembly, the sub-assembly, iba-iba, iba-ibang building, 'di ba? Dapat hindi ganoon, 'di ba? Ito hindi naman sa pagmamayabang Sorry kung kayo ay DDS, no? Kung kayo ay diehard Duterte supporter. And until now, DDS pa rin ba kayo? Hindi. Bias ako kasi I came from Naga and VP Lenny is our ninang, no? In our wedding. Kaya bias ako. May yung asawa niya, no? Yung asawa niya si Mayor Jesse Robredo and former secretary of the ILG. Alam niyo ba ano ginawa niya? Waste of motion. Siya nag-start, no, ng isang floor lang, especially in terms of business permit, 'di ba? Kasi dati, first step as a first floor. Second step as a third floor. Third step nasa 8th floor. Tapos pinakahuli nasa first floor ulit. Ano ba ginawa ni Jesse Robredo? One stop shop lang. So meaning lahat ng department in the offices ay pupunta muna sa first floor para doon mag-opisina for the next 2 months, 'di ba? So ganoon, 'di ba? So meaning siya nag-start ng kanyang business permit application, especially in terms of the one-stop shop. Okay? That's why ways of motion, tama ba Marikay, 'di ba? Pupunta ka sa first floor, then third floor, then 8th floor, then 10th floor, tapos first floor ulit, 'di ba?
Yes po, sir.
Waste of motion, sayang ng oras, 'di ba? 'Yon. All right. Number 7, waste of making defective products. So, ang dami mong product tapos defective din pala. You have more quality assurance, we have quality inspection, and still you have defective products. All right, yun. That's the waste of defective product. Okay, wait lang ha. Kasi yung sorry. All right. So yun, the 7 ways no in terms of the product. All right. Next, principles of just in time and production. All right. So what are the principles of just in time? All right. So here, number 1, no, principles of just in time is the total quality management. So very important also that yes, you'll follow just in time, but very important also that you have the TQM, no, or the total quality management, meaning the focus is more on the quality. Kasi hindi lang siya more on the just in time, you just basically produce or manufactured product but there's no quality. All right, ano ba yung ano? Sorry ano ba yung sample niyo ng pangat ang quality pero napakamura? I remember no, ngayon ba ay may CDR King pa? Irvy.
Meron, sir.
'Di ba mayroon
Meron po
pa?
dito sa amin, sir.
Oo, 'di ba as you notice, no? Ano ba ang kanilang binibenta? More on
Gadgets.
computer gadgets, 'di ba? More on computer
Accessories.
accessories. Pero as you notice, 'di ba? Pag kayo nagbabayad na, ano ba ang ginagawa ng cashier? Sila ba ay may sariling software or they're doing manual? 'Di ba manual? Alright.
Opo, man.
Tinanong ko 'yon, no? Tinanong ko 'yon. How come, ma'am? How come that you are selling computer accessories, computer products, and yet what you are doing is what do you call that? Parang manual cashiering, 'di ba? For me, sabi ko, how come na you will not use that uh, uh, the software or the accessories that you are selling, 'di ba? Parang may something. Meaning pangit yung quality ng product nila, 'di ba? Wala lang. So parang ano, parang 'yan yung ano, ano tawag doon? Irony of life, 'di ba? Parang binebenta mo ang computer software and yet you are not using it, 'di ba? So meaning in the just in time, very important also that you will follow TQM or focus is more on the quality of it. Okay? So of course seek long-term commitment. Now quality must be higher priority than cost. So even though uh, you sell them at the higher price, but of course very important also is the quality of it. Okay? And of course, to minimize the waste. All right. Again, just in time, number 1, you will follow total quality management or focus more on the quality. Number 2, when you follow just in time, you will also have or required to have production management. Okay. But before that, what do you mean of push and pull? No? Pag pull is made to order. Pag push naman is made for inventory. So push is you stock more inventory. Sa Miguel, we are using push kasi dapat we have a lot of inventory. But just in time is you will follow pull, made to order. So the moment that your customers will order product, that's the moment na you will produce it. That's why it is pull or made to order, 'di ba? So push is supplier, no? Final assembly then customer. Pero yung pull is basically galing sa customer up to the supplier. All right. All right. So pull and push again. Pull is made to order. Push is made for inventory. Just in time is pull tayo ha or pull system made to order. Also, in terms of the production management, very important also that you have communication technique. Okay. So here, very important is the proper communication. Diba? If there's no proper communication, very malamang mag-fail kayo. Okay? Then, of course, also flexibility of the system. So, you should be flexible of your system in terms of production. Kasi di naman perfect lahat ng production. And also, design for testability. So, meaning you have quality assurance, you test na pokayok, okay? Or mistake proofing. Pokayok is, you test it, no? You test the, uh, the product no before it will be shipped or before it will be sold, okay, or to sell no to uh the customer. All right, so na ngayon number 1 is you will follow first, you will follow what? Okay,
TQM po.
QM. And number 2 is
Full
production.
system.
Yes,
Thank
full tama, full in the production management. Number 3 naman is dapat you have suppliers management. Yan. So establish long-term relationship with few suppliers. 'Di ba? Naalala ko during your principles of management. Ano bang sabi sa inyo? Dapat daw you have more suppliers. Tama ba? Kasi if you have more suppliers, you can cater or you can window shop in terms of the prices. Tama ba? The lower, the better. But
Yes po.
in, di ba? But in the just in time, only few suppliers lang. Okay, why? Para konti lang yung kausap mo. Kasi nga, just in time, time is of the essence, and you should be able uh, uh, to uh, uh, to sell, no? Na just in time. All right. Wait lang ah. All right. Sorry. Next, delivery of parts. All right. So, especially in terms of the suppliers management, no? Long-term relationship, no, with the few suppliers, also delivery of parts of this, it should be 100% defect free. Okay? So, kahit suppliers man yan, dapat defect free the moment na ibigay sa'yo ng suppliers mo. Kasi pag hindi, sayang ng oras. Hindi na siya just in time, di ba? Where they are needed, when, and exact quantity. Okay? But of course, 100% defect free should be. Okay? And then work together, you have collaboration and elimination of inspection. Why? Bakit kailangan eliminate inspection? Kasi nga, you assume that the supplier will deliver 100% defect free. Okay? Yan. Kasi time is of the essence here. Okay? Again, yan. Ito yung product, ito yung sample ni Toyota Management. So, main assembly here. As you notice, di ba? Waste of motion here is to be eliminated. Di ba? Kasi makakalapit lang. Okay? Then assembly. Then after that, 6, 7, 8. Yan. So, yan. All right. Number 1, TQM. Number 2 is production management, especially the pull system. Number 3 is suppliers management. Number 4 is inventory management. All right. Take note of this. Eliminate stock level or safety stock. There should be no inventory in the just-in-time. Pero di maiwasan, malamang meron. Pero minimal inventory. All right. Because sabi nila, inventory daw is evil, no? In just-in-time, in terms of the inventory management. Let's say this is the water is the inventory, and then you are using the traditional system, no? Inventory to buffer it, no, in terms of the problems. What if this is the problem, no? Ito yung water mo, ito yung inventory mo, ito yung bangka mo. Kaya lang you have poor training. Ang dami mo materials handling. Why? Because you have a lot of inventories. Nag-breakdown pa, no? Poor quality or quality problems, long setup. What will happen? Of course, mangyayari is, no, GIS system view it as the inventory as waste. Because of that, ano mangyayari? Malamang yung barko mo ay pwedeng lumubog, di ba? Especially if you have poor training. No? So very important that in terms of the inventory is you have proper training. All right. Yan, ito lang, lulubog na yung bangka mo. All right. So meaning, very important is the inventory management, that the inventory is zero or to minimize safety stock. As in walang inventory. Okay? So lowering the level of inventory is relatively easy to do. No? However, the problems that arise must be corrected. No? With, of course, no inventory, there's no materials handling. You should have good training, yeah? Para walang breakdown, no? Walang quality problems and long setup. Meaning short setup lang. All right. Ano nga yun? Number 1, TQM, followed by production management, or you have pull method. You have also suppliers management. You have inventory management. And the last is all about human resource management. Diba? Kasi the human resource here is also very important. Bakit? Kasi kadalasan lahat ng companies are using traditional system. Paano kung we will ship, no, to just in time? Medyo mahirap to, 'di ba? Kasi lalo na yung if you are in the comfort zone, 'di ba? Parang mahirap na mag-change ng system. That's why HR here is play significant role. Okay? So company-wide involvement, a motivation for continuous improvement, problem solving, diversified employees, no? And management support and empowerment of workforce. So they are the one who will motivate employees to shift from traditional to just-in-time. All right, yan. So improvement, especially in terms of the improvement, kasi kadalasan lahat dapat may improvement. Bakit ka pa mag-change ng just-in-time kung wala kang improvement? All right. Any questions so far?
None po.
Alright, malinaw ha? Alright, sige. What are the stumbling blocks or the challenges of the just-in-time or building blocks, sorry. So here, product design, process, personnel, manufacturing, planning. So ito dapat meron ka ganito, di ba? In terms of the product design, yan ba ay just-in-time? Process mo ba maganda? Or the personnel ba? Or all the employees ba are properly trained? Okay? And of course, planning. Because of that, no, you will eliminate waste, minimize inventories, you eliminate disruptions, and you reduce this in terms of the lead times. Okay? Ultimate goal here is to have balanced rapid flow. Of course, with this, now you have a lot of inventories. You have a lot of profit here. All right. Requirements of just-in-time. What if you want to shift to just-in-time? Respond to customers' requirement. Of course, integrate all processes, employee participation, no? Company-wide commitment to education, eliminate redundancy, reduce all inventory, establish, ito sinasabi ni Marikay, no? Use of pull system, right? So, you use the pull system, right? design product for manufacturing, develop controllable processes, have defect prevention program, reduce setup, and to build product specification. Ang dami, no? So, requirement of the just in time. Kasi nga, time of the essence, and you should sell them as soon as possible. No? Yan. Kaya lang, ano naman obstacles naman in converting to just in time? Yon. Management are not committed, especially if you are in the comfort zone already. Okay? Workers not cooperative. Kasi, sir, alam ko na yan eh. For the past 20 years, yan na yung trabaho ko. How come na we will ship pa or we will parang we will transfer it no to just in time. Yan, mahirap 'yan, no? Decide which parts needs most effort. So ano ba yung papalitan, okay? Yan. Starts by trying to reduce setup times. Yan nga, oh, madami dito redundant, no? Madami ditong mawala ng trabaho. Okay? Gradually convert operations. Yun yung pangit, no? Overall operations will be converted. Okay? Then convert suppliers. Oh, so yung sa mga suppliers mo ay traditional, they will shift naman to just in time. Mahirap 'yan. Okay? Prepare for obstacles, challenges, of course. Suppliers may resist. Yan. Lalo na kung close kayo sa suppliers, 'di ba? Yan. Pero ano naman yung pros ng advantages or ng GIT? High quality. Why? Again, because you will follow total quality management. Flexibility. You're flexible enough, di ba? Reduce setup time, reduce need for indirect labor. Bakit walang indirect labor? Diba? Kasi nga, wala na magsusupervise. Automatic. Na? Meron ka ng product to sell. Okay? Less waste. Alright? Low warehouse cost. Common sense. Why? Because there's no inventory in your warehouse. No? Synchronization between product scheduling or work hour. Yan. Pero ano naman yung cons of just in time? Time consuming, no spare product. Yun nga, kasi ibibenta mo kaagad, di ba? Supply shock if products do not reach on time. Yan. Di ba? Napaka bad trip naman noon na nag-order si Alvo ng beer. Ang tagal dumating. Di ba? High risk factor. Yan. Alright. So ano yung mga just-in-time na companies? Dell. So they follow just-in-time, no? Leverage GIT principles on its manufacturing process success, no? So they leverage the suppliers to achieve just-in-time goal, no? Provide exceptionally short setup times. Suppliers carry inventory instead of carrying it themselves. Okay? Dependable suppliers should be few, no? And ability to meet its demanding lead time requirements. So, si Dell to ha, yung ano nyo, yung laptop nyo or any accessories. Alright. What else? Seamless system that allows transmit to component requirements, di ba? Willingness of suppliers to keep inventory on hand. Okay? Yan. Kasi hindi sa inyo yung inventory. Nasaan? Nasa suppliers. Sabihin lang ni Jake, no, na kailangan ko na ng supply ng ganito, no? So meaning sa Alvo naman ay a supplier will deliver it. Okay? Yan. So because of the just in time, as you notice, no, from 1984 tumaas yung GE Dell, 'di ba? And the industry naman pataas din sila. Okay? Yan. McDonald's ba? I don't think so. Sa US kasi McDonald's daw. 'Di ba? Parang order kayo, 'di ba mayroon na? Tama ba? Pag nag-order kayo ng McDo,
Yes po.
'di ba? Malamang hindi. Malamang sa US siguro pwede. Alright, kasi McDonald's no begin to cook until customers has placed, no? I think nakita ko may manok na eh, 'di ba? Major benefits naman are better food at a lower cost. So wastage is reduced as to improvise taste that makes you want loving it. Alright, yan. Alright, so any question about the theoretical aspect of the just-in-time before we go to the main topic, which is the just-in-time accounting? Question so far? Samora, wala. Jermaine?
Wala naman po, sir.
Justine? Mariel? Wala.
Wala naman po, sir.
Alright. Brandon? Wala. Alright, sige. Just in time. Alright. What is the essence of the just in time again? We eliminate inventory. Yan. In accounting, you should have no inventory. Okay? So in terms of this, again, accounting, distinguishing characteristic of GIT is that production costs are accumulated with inventory at the later stage of the production. Why? Again, there's no inventory. Rationality of this is the difference is that GIT for small, if any, quantities of direct materials, work in process, and your finished goods. So yun. Rationality of the just-in-time is you should have a small supply of materials, work in process, and finished goods. All right, what else? So labor, so materials usual, ano lang ha, same as what we did in the job order. How about in the labor and overhead? No? Normally, they are accumulated directly to the cost of goods sold. Ano bang ginawa natin dati sa job order? Saan ba naka-charge ang labor and overhead? Brandon.
So, work in process. Ay, sorry.
Sige. Malakay.
So, work in process po.
Alright, work in process. Then, transfer it to the finished goods. And then, pag naibenta na, will become
The cost
part
of
of your
goods
cost of
sold.
goods sold. Pero in the just in time, saan ilalagay? Automatic, ilalagay na sa cost of goods sold. Alright. Sir, ano bang work in process saka finished goods? Yes, it will be adjusted. Alright. So at the end of the period, no, labor and overhead are associated with any unsold or uncompleted items that are backed out and included as part of the finished goods or work in process. That's why just in time is also called backflash accounting because it is backed out, no, and included. All right. Then labor, naulit lang. Yan. So just in time, to summarize, against job order, no? So you have separate account in terms of materials and work in process. Di ba tama? So you have materials used and it will be transferred to the work in process. Sir, how about just in time? It is called RIP, no? In the rest in peace, raw and in process. What do you mean of raw and in process? It is a combination of materials and work in process. Kaya nga it is raw materials and work in process. So nawala lang yung materials and raw. Okay? Work. No? All right. What else? Direct labor and applied overhead are charged to work in process and finished goods, di ba? Your direct labor and overhead are charged to the manufacturing cost, then charged to the work in process and the finished goods. How about just in time? There's no separate account for direct labor and overhead and are usually charged to the conversion costs and account them in terms of cost of goods sold account. All right, so automatic, no? And additional costing, yes, you have also applied overhead and recorded as part of the WIP. How about job just in time? Overhead is not applied to production until they are completed. So meaning you need to complete first, no, before the overhead is applied, no. Pero usually bihira to, no. So when products are completed, labor and overhead are added to the cost of goods sold. Okay? Since the cost of goods sold are part of the production. So meaning, again, traditional costing charged the direct labor lang to and overhead charged to work in process and finished goods. Pero sa just in time, saan ilalagay? Katriana. Charge to Hans. If you're listening, wala atang tao. Marinel. Hello, diyan pa kayo?
Dito po, sir.
Alright. Cost of goods sold. Very good, Alvan. Alright. Wala yung iba. Alright, sige. Okay. Sige nga, I have sample here, no? Just in time. Alright, sige. maybe I will have the Excel na lang. Para maintindihan niya, ha? So I will put it here. GIT. Dito sina ano, ha? Mali. Should be new. Alright, sige. Wait, ha? You see ba? Yes?
Yes
See my
po.
screen? Alright, sige.
Yes po.
Para maintindihan natin, no? Alright, what if this is the problem, no? Alright, Stillwater manufacturing has a process cycle time, no, of less than a day using raw and in process, and all expenses are all charged the cost of goods sold, no, the conversion cost. Okay? At the end of the month, all inventories are counted for, and their conversion cost components are estimated to, and inventory account balances are adjusted accordingly. No, raw materials is backflash. So again, pag sinabing backflash, it is a just-in-time costing. Okay? RIP to the finished goods. Alright, the following information is for the month of August. So, anong gagawin natin in terms of this? Okay. So, number one, usual as part of your job order. Diba? Ano yung una? To record for the purchases. Okay, for the purchase. So, number one is to record the purchase. Alright. The record of the purchase. So what is the entry for this? Ito yun, di ba? Raw materials purchase on credit. What is the entry? Debit?
Raw
Anyone?
materials, inventory. Ay, wala pala ang inventory.
Okay. So you debit here. Saan?
COGS na po ba?
Box na ba? Saan?
Sir Rip.
Oh, in
Very
process.
good. It is raw
Tama.
and
In process.
in process. Automatic. Alright. So how much? It is 356,000. And let's say you have here cash na lang, all right, of 356,000. And very good. What else? Ano ba yan? Ito nga, tingnan ko muna, ha. Kalimutan ko na yung pagkasunod-sunod. All right, sige. Next. Next naman is to convert the raw in process to the finished goods. As you notice, there's no work in process. Bakit? The work in process here is basically part na ng raw and in process. 'Di ba? Ito ay transfer na, sorry, ito ay automatically part ng raw and in process. Alright, what is the entry for this? First thing is to compute first for the RIP use. Alright, saan yung RIP? Di ba ito yung beginning mo? Alright, first thing is to get the RIP beginning. Alright. But the RIP beginning, by the way, what is RIP again? Raw and in process. Not rest in peace, ha? Alright. RIP beginning. Di ba kasama dito ang 6,900 conversion cost. So, dapat tanggalin yan kasi we will account first for materials. Alright, so 42,600. Okay, ano na to ha? Para magmali to. It is to be accounted for of the materials. Alright, so later na yung conversion cost which is factory labor. Ito yun ha. And factory overhead pala and direct labor. Alright, what else? Ima-minus mo dito yung 6,900 kasi hindi siya part ng materials, di ba? Yung minus 6,900, ilan to? So, 42,600 less 6,900. Alright, so meaning the RIP beginning here is 35,700. What else? What else? Of course, your purchases. Diba? Yung purchase kanina. Magkano? Diba ito yun? 356. Yan. Sorry, wait lang. Asan na yun? Yun. Alright, so how much now is the total? The total now is so this is 391,700. Sana tama. Alright, sell. Anyway, wait lang ah. Nilito ako dito. Nakakasunod ba so far? Hello?
Yes po, sir.
Alright, next. Next is RIP ending. Alright. So, magkano yung ending? Diba ito yun? RIP ending. Ito, diba? Included dito yung 4,500. So, meaning, tagalin natin yung 4,500. So, 22,500 less 4,500. Alright. So, magkano yun? So, this is
18,000.
22,500. Sorry. 22,500 less 4,500. So, you have 18,000. Sorry, ba't pala ako may ganito? All right. So you have 18,000. So how much now is the RIP use? Trip, sorry. Right now. Ayan. Alright. So makano to? 391 less 18,000. So ano to? 373,700. Tama ba? Tingnan natin ha. Yan, tama. Alright. So ano to? RIP use. What is the entry here? We debit finished goods. Diba? Eventually, it is now part of the finished goods. Not anymore work in process. How much? 373,700. And you credit row and in process. Or ano na, RIP na lang. Alright. Of 373,700. Yan. Nakuha ba? Hello?
Opo, sir.
Alright, sige. Next. Next is, number 3 is finished goods naman. And eventually, sorry. magiging na siyang cost of goods sold. May benta na. Alright. So, what is the formula here? Diba, given na yung finished goods beginning, can I copy it? Can I copy here? Alright. Pero ito ay, ano na, ito ay finished goods and beginning. So, how much the finished goods beginning? 45,000. Alright. Less. Magkano? Ba? 45 less 17, di ba? Less 17,000. Alright, so how much this? So 45,000 less 17,000. Alright, what else? You add here RIPUs. Diba? Saan galing yung RIPUs? Diba kanina? We compute for the RIPUs, which is at 373,700. Yan. What else? Finished goods ending. So here, basically, you have here ending dapat. Hi, dyan pa kayo?
Po,
Hello?
sir.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sige, sige.
Opo.
Alright. Next, finished goods ending is you have 16,000. So you have here 16,000 less 5,000, diba? Sorry, nadoble. Alright, so this is at 11,000. Alright, so you have 397,000. What is the entry for this? Anyone? This is RIPUs. It is called cost of goods sold. What is the entry for this? Anyone?
Sir,
Sige, Marikay.
nag-try lang.
Sige, okay lang.
Debit cost of goods sold plus
Very good.
credit
Cost.
finished goods.
Very good. Cost of goods sold, which is at 390,700. And we credit here.
Finished goods po.
Very good. Finished goods. Finished goods. How much? 390,700. Yan. Nakuha nyo ba? So, tama ba tayo? Tingnan natin. We will check kung tama. Mali. Tama. 377. Alright. So, correct. No? You have 397,000. Meron pa ba? Yes. Especially your ito, di ba? Especially here, no? Direct labor and factory overhead. As a charge. To record the direct labor of 150K and to record also factory overhead, which is at 180,000. So, as a charge. Hi.
Cost of goods sold.
Very
po.
good. It is charged to cost of goods sold. How much? Yun na, 150 plus 180, I think 230. Ba? 250.
330 po.
330 pala. 330,000. Ay, sorry. What else? And also, we debit direct labor. Ba? Ano bang ginamit niya? Sorry ha. Payroll. Tama. Same as payroll, di ba? Since it is transferred dati, di ba? It is transferred to the work in process. So, payroll of 150,000 and also your factory overhead. So kakabili pa lang, sorry, in terms of the factory overhead, how much? 180. All right, may question ba? Sir, ano pong RIP again? Row and in process. All right. Ito yan, ha? Row and in process. Yan, Brandon. All right. Oh, thank you kaagad. Yan. Tama ba? You have here 330. All right. Number 5. Yan. Number 5 is basically a parang adjustment. 'Di ba? As you notice in terms of computing for over and under applied in the just in time, you should also need to adjust for any unsold or for any uncompleted. Alright, sige, para maintindihan. Ito ay ginawa ko dito is more on pababa, pero mas maganda if you will understand that in terms of doing the T account. Alright. Sige, para maintindihan. Alright. Sige nga. First thing muna is the row and in process. Number 5 tayo, ha. So far ba, any question? Madali lang ba? Di ba, dali lang naman just in time. Medyo mahirap lang siya sa adjustment. The rest, hindi. Di ba? Parang usual na ginagawa natin sa job order. Alright, sige. Para maintindihan, I will, sorry. Yan. Row, RIP na lang, RIP. Row and in process. And you have here finished goods. Alright. So the account here. The account here. Alright. Sige nga. So the account to, ha? Alright. So in terms of this, as you notice, ano muna tayo? RIP muna. Magkano ba yung tinanggal natin sa row and in process? Di ba ito yun? 6, 9, and 4, 5. Correct? Oh, ano yung beginning mo? Again, for the purpose of this computation, I will put on the right side the ending. Okay? Also, the right side is the ending. Para lang to understand well about how we analyze the T account. Pero in reality, it is immaterial. Dapat the ending should be on the debit. Pero ngayon lang, ha, I will put it on the credit. Okay? You know the point ba? Kung bakit? To compute for any variances. Alright. Sige, RIP beginning. Magkano yung balance mo? The balance here is at 6,900. Magkano yung ending mo ng RIP? 4,500. Diba? Alright. Sige, how about the finished goods? How much is your beginning? 17,000. Alright. And also the ending here is at 5,000. Alright. O, magkano yung wait lang. Umiyak yung sige. In terms of the RIP, 'di ba? Wait lang, umiyak yung anak ko. So in terms of the RIP, alright, wait. Wait lang, ha. 5 minutes lang. Umiyak lang. Alright, sige. Row and in process muna tayo. 'Di ba? As you notice in number 4, no? In terms of number 4, the payroll and factory overhead are all charged to the cost of goods sold. In number 5, what we will do is we will adjust. Why? Kasi 'di ba dito sa number 1, number 2, tinanggal natin yung conversion cost, tama ba? Okay? Also in number 3, we also remove the conversion cost. Since in number 4, automatically it is charged now to the cost of goods sold, we need to adjust for the RIP and finished goods. Nagets ba ako? You got the point, Janina? Alright. Kenneth?
Malilito.
Sir, pwede pakiulit.
Alright. Sige. Number 4. So as you notice in terms of the number 4, 'di ba? Here, sabi sa just in time, automatic, no? Direct labor and overhead are all charged to the cost of goods sold, correct? So we charge it to the cost of goods sold. All right. In number 2, no? In number 2, what we did is we removed the conversion cost. Tama ba? All right, here in the RIP, we remove the conversion cost. Also, in the finished goods, we remove the conversion cost. Kasi we account first for the materials. All right. In number 5, what we will do is we will adjust for any unsold or uncompleted RIP and finished goods. All right. You get the point again? All right. Sige. All right. In the RIP, the beginning is 6,900. Take note that RIP is just like work in process. If your beginning is 6,900 and your ending is 4,500, to balance, sa malalagay? Lalagay mo sa credit. How much is the difference of it? 6,900 less 4,500, 2,400. Alright, para magbalanse lang, no? So we put 2,400. Sige, later na, no? What do you mean of 2,400 here? Go back to our job order. When we credit work in process, that's your
Cost of goods manufactured.
very good, Marike. That's the cost of goods manufactured. Meaning, it is now completed. Tama ba? Yes, it is now completed product. That's why here, what's the entry here? Of course, we credit here, row and in process. Kasi, di ba, we credit row and in process, di ba? So, we credit row and in process. Credit to ha, credit mo na ha. So, meaning, row and in process is how much? 2,400. My question is, what is the debit?
Sir, COVID ata.
All right, the debit here is
Cost of goods.
very good. Cost of goods sold. Wag nang manufactured ha. Cost of goods sold na. Why? Again, the 2,400 here is your completed product na. Tama ba?
Sir, question po ulit.
Alright, question.
Sir, bakit po yung debit is goods sold po, hindi po yung manufactured po ulit?
Again, it is a just in time. We will eliminate the processing in terms of the cost of goods manufactured, 'di ba? Automatic, it is charged to the cost of goods sold. Why? Direct labor and overhead are all charged to the cost of goods sold. Go back to this. 'Di ba? Labor and overhead are normally charged to the cost of goods sold. And at the end of the period, we adjust for the labor and overhead and charge them in terms of your cost of goods sold. Okay?
Okay.
Gets? All right.
Hindi
Take
po.
note of this, ha? Number 5 is your adjustment for DL and factory overhead. Kasi we are done with the, ano, di ba? We are done with the materials. No? Yan. All right. Sige. Next. How about in this number 2? Sorry, 24. We put here 24. All right. So here you have 17,000 and you have here 5,000. To balance, we will put here 12,000. Tama ba? Yan. So what is the entry for this? So by the way, when you credit finished goods in the job order, no, what does it mean? Hello?
Sir,
Manufacture na din po.
Manufactured na? What if we credit the finished goods? That's now your?
Cost of goods sold po.
Very good. That's now your cost of goods sold. Na-ibenta mo na. That's why, what is the entry here? Since we credit here 12,000, so of course, we will credit here. I will copy na lang to, ha? Kasi malamang cost of goods sold din. Ay. So here is finished goods. All right, finished goods. And how much? This is 12,000. Of course, what is the credit? A debit. Since it is now part of the cost of goods sold, we debit here 12,000. That's why here, in my example, what I did is compound entry. Diba? So, pwede naman ganito. So, debit cost of goods sold, raw and in process, and finished goods. So, pwede naman cost of goods sold debit, credit, raw and in process, and credit finished goods. Alright. Sige, question.
sir, question po.
Question. Sige.
Sir, saan po ulit nanggaling yung 17 at 5,000?
Alright. Saan galing yun? Given siya, ha? Yan. Yan. So, meaning you have including 17,000 conversion cost and ending of 5,000. So, given
Okay,
siya.
okay, sir. Thank you po.
Alright. Sige. What if baliktad naman? Alright. What if baliktad? No, sige, para maintindihan niya, ha? Okay. Para maganda madaming scenario tayo. Sige, sabihin natin baliktad. This is 4-5. Kasi ito ay 4-5. Ito ay 6-9. 4-5, 6-9. Ito naman, same lang. Ay, same lang. So, malamang, the entry here is 12,000. Diba? And the entry here, ito. Ito lang, kasi what if lang, ha? Kasi may mga tayong ganyan scenario, ha? Scenario 1 and scenario 2. Let's say, this is number 1, scenario 1, scenario 2, no? Alright, sige. Ano to? Ano nangyari dito? So, meaning, to balance, we will put 2,400 here. Alright, go back to our job order and just in time. What if we debit work in process and raw and in process? Ano to? It is your, di ba, if we debit work in process or RIP, yan yung cost mo na galing sa total manufacturing cost. Tama ba? So
Yes
meaning,
po.
it is the uncompleted, hindi pa tapos. So we need to adjust our cost of goods sold. Tama ba? Why?
Yes po.
Common sense. Hindi pa siya tapos. So we will add to RIP of 2,400 and we credit here what? Your cost of goods sold. Kasi we need to adjust the cost of goods sold kasi hindi pa tapos yung 2,400. Bakit? Kasi dito, it is to be added na to, di ba ito? Saan na ba yan? Di ba? So, meaning it will be adjusted here. Alright, next. By the way, it is for the current. Ito ay for beginning and ending. Alright, what if naman ay ito alam mo ito, di ba? What if naman parehas siya nasa ano? Sige. Copying ko to, ha. Yan. So, what if, ito yon same lang, malamang same lang to dito. Alright, cost of goods sold here of the row and in process. How about ito ay baligtad naman, no? Nandito yung 5, nandito yung 17,000. Yan. So, what happened here? So, to balance, you will put here 12,000 as part of the finished goods. If we debit finished goods in the job order, so ano ibig sabihin noon? It is
Mababawasan po yung
babawasan. And uncompleted, unsold. That uncompleted, unsold, no? Kasi this is part of the finished goods. So, unsold siya. What is the entry here? We debit finished goods of 12,000 and we credit here cost of goods sold. Yan. Of 12,000. Alright. So far, any question? Madali lang ba? Madali lang ang just in time. Medyo
Sir.
mahirap lang siya in terms of the adjustments. Question? Question?
Okay na po pala, sir. Thank you po.
Alright, sige. So sabi nila, wag daw magbigay ng assignment. Alright, sige. As long as we met for now. And just siguro just read more about this. Maybe I will give assignment pero okay lang. Just read muna, no? Then I will give you na lang kung kailan yung submission. Okay lang ba? Para at least fresh pa sa mind nyo about the just in time. So far, any question?
Sir, i-upload niyo po ba
Yes,
yung...
yes, I will upload it.
Ayos. Thank you po.
Question so far? Ba't yung picture mo, Janina, baligtad? Anyway.
Wala lang po, sir.
Wala lang. Alright. Question.
Sir, ano po magandang resource para pagbasahan pati pag-practicean?
Delo yun ang ginagamit ko eh.
Okay.
Sa cost accounting. Maganda yung delo. Kaya lang yung bago niya kasing libro ngayon, madaming error. Pansin niyo ba? Ayan.
Color red po ba, sir?
Yung red. Mas maganda pa yung green.
Okay po.
So if none, so sabi ng Sanbeda, magpahinga muna kayo until, kailan ba yun? 17 to 21. Kailan ba 21? Sabado ba 21?
Yes po.
Yun, Sabado. Bakasyon kayo, no? Ayan. Alright, sige. Sabi nila,
Albo, ang gwapo mo naman.
oo, pero yung UP, no? Yung UP, nagbabanta sila na they will not, di ba, nabasa nyo ba yan? Yung UP,
Opo, sir.
hindi sila papasok
Opo, sir. Di daw po sila mag-start ng
mag-start
class.
ng class hanggang si Duterte pa yung presidente. Alright, tapang, no? For me, sorry kung kayo ay may DDS sa inyo. For me kasi, kulang, ewan ko ba? Pasin nyo ba? Wow. Until now, parang hindi nila alam po anong gagawin, no? Diba? Anyway, yan. Sige, so see you all on Monday. Okay, so we will not meet on Friday. Yun. All right. So see you all and have a good night and kain muna kayo. Hopefully you learned about the just in time.
Thank you po, sir.
Alright,
Thank you, sir.
bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Alright,
Thank
sige,
you po, sir.
bye-bye.
Ingat po kayo.
Thank you, sir.
Alright,
Thank you,
sige,
sir.
bye.